Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by preparing your system before you change screen resolution. Check your monitor manual and confirm the native resolution like 1920x1080 or 3840x2160. Note the current refresh rate, for example 60 Hz or 144 Hz, and record it. Open Device Manager or System Settings and update your graphics driver to the latest version. Make a quick restore point or note current display settings so you can revert if a new resolution causes problems. Always close full-screen apps before changing resolution to avoid display issues. On Windows, start by right-clicking the desktop and choosing Display Settings. Under Scale and Layout, choose a display resolution like 1920x1080 from the drop-down list. If text or icons look too small, adjust scaling to 100% or 125% for clarity. Click Advanced Display Settings to change the refresh rate to match your monitor. For example, 60 Hz or 144 Hz. When you apply the new resolution, Windows gives you 15 seconds to confirm by clicking Keep Changes. Otherwise, it will automatically revert to the prior setting. On Mac, open System Settings and go to Displays, then choose an available scaled resolution or default for display. For Linux, open Display Settings or use the terminal command xrandr to set a specific resolution, such as 1366x768 or 1920x1080. If you cannot find the proper resolution, check the monitor cable and connection type, like HDMI or DisplayPort. Update or reinstall graphics drivers and try safe mode if needed to restore a working state. Finally, test multiple resolutions and confirm readability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.